Good day. My name is Dr. Fred Awaah, and I greet you from Ghana, West Africa, in today's edition of the Practical Guide to Research with Awaah. We'll be looking at how to create hyperlinks. And in a very short period of time, we would see how the entire process would go. So to create a hyperlink, the first step is to make the Word version of the document ready. Then we go to the online version of the source document, that is the reference that is intended to be hyperlinked. We then will copy the online link from the source document by right-clicking on the article or related and then pick or click on copy link from the drop box. We then will have to return to the Word document, after which we highlight the citation to be hyperlinked. Right-click on the citation, look out for address at the bottom of the drop box, paste the copied hyperlink, and then click OK. So we are going to put this in practice in a very short period of time. So number one is to get the source document. So here we have the source document. This is a manuscript I'm working on. And you see all of these citations are not hyperlinked. So we are going to use one of them, for instance, Awaah et al. 2021. And then the instruction says we look out for the source document online. So Awaah et al. 2021, for the purposes of this presentation, that citation is here. I've copied it out. It's Awaah, Okebukola, Ebesin, Agbanimu, etc., etc. So we'll copy this, right-click and copy it, and then we'll go to where the document is online, and that is Google Scholar. Right-click and paste. After pasting, we search. Now you'd find out the document is here. Remember the issues related to our presentation. We said make the Word version of the document ready. That is the document. Go to the online version of the source document, and that is where we are now. Google Scholar. Copy the online link from the source document by right-clicking. So we are here on stage number 3. So we go here, and the instruction says we should right-click. At right-click, you recall we need the copy of the link. So you click this. We'll go back oh yes, copy link, it's been copied. Then we go back to our source document in line with the tutorials we have. We highlight the citation, right-click, and remember we said on the drop-down key, we will see hyperlink. We are clicking on hyperlink, we paste, and then we say, OK. Now, clearly you can see that the document has now been hyperlinked. To be sure that the document is really hyperlinked, let's see what happens. We would highlight this, right-click it, and click on Open Hyperlink. Yes, Open Hyperlink. Oh, yes, we are going to do it again. Highlight this, right-click, then we would say Open Hyperlink. We wait for a moment, and there we are. The document is open. Influence of gender and career interests on African university students perceive difficult concepts in the study of public administration. I hope this has been helpful to you, and we would continue in a different video later. Thank you very much.